Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your e-commerce conversion tracking with Hotjar funnels, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the funnels section in the Hotjar dashboard. Click on the green new funnel button to create a new funnel. Name your funnel to reflect the specific e-commerce process you want to track. Define the starting point of your funnel by selecting the initial page users visit before making a purchase. Set up each step of the funnel by adding the relevant pages users will navigate through. These steps may include the product page, cart page, and checkout page. Make sure to specify each page's URL accurately for precise tracking. Next, save the funnel configurations to ensure your data is captured. To verify that the funnel is tracking correctly, open your e-commerce website in a new tab. Simulate the process of going through the funnel by visiting each step you've set. Observe how Hotjar captures the flow as you navigate through the pages. In the Hotjar dashboard, check if the conversions are recorded under your new funnel. Look for any discrepancies in the tracking data and adjust the funnel steps if necessary. If everything looks correct, you have successfully set up your e-commerce conversion tracking. Make sure to revisit the funnel regularly to analyze user behavior and optimize your e-commerce strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.